eBacon How-To. Submit payroll in eBacon Prime. Learning objective. You will learn how to prepare, edit, and submit payroll within the eBacon Prime dashboard. Let's get started. First, let's head over to eBacon Prime. Once we're on the eBacon Prime dashboard, we'll head over to the To-Dos tab. As a refresher, the Projects tab will show you a summary of all of your current projects. The Subcontractors tab will show you all subcontractors that you're currently working with. Now on to the To-Dos. To submit payroll, let's find the job we want to submit payroll for. You can simply scroll through the list of jobs, or you can use the filter at the top left. Once you find the job you'd like to submit payroll for, go ahead and click that job, and you'll enter it into the job dashboard. At the top of the window, you'll see the work week, the job name, and the subcontractor associated with that job. You can pick a new work week by using the drop-down menu here at the top of the window. On the top right of the window, you'll see 4 buttons: the Import button, the Copy button, and the Enter button. The final button is the Submit button. Let's head over to the Import button first. The Import button will take you to the Data Import window. Here you'll follow the 5 steps of data import. Next, let's choose the Copy button. The Copy button will copy information from prior payrolls. Simply click Start Copy, and you will see the information from previous payrolls automatically uploaded into your time entry dashboard. From here, you'll fill out time entry information as usual. Once your time entry information is complete, click Save, and then click All Done. Take me back to submissions. And finally, let's choose the Enter button, which will take us to manual time entry. Here you will fill out all the information needed, click Save, and then choose All Done. Take me back to submissions. If there are any problems, you'll see them listed here under the Problems tab. You can also view the History tab and see any edits that were made to this payroll. And if there are any notes, you can view them here or type a note below. Once everything is completed, you can click Submit. The Certify and Submit Payroll statement will pop up. Simply read the statement for accuracy, and then click Submit Report. You have now certified and submitted your payroll. If there are any updates or errors within the payroll, simply click the Reset button at the top right-hand corner. You will then be able to make any revisions and resubmit payroll. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions about certified payroll within the eBacon Prime dashboard, visit us online at ebacon.com.